Right, hello everybody. another quick update. I've just been taking the front suspension off. Needs a good clean and wants all new bushes. I've got all the new bushes here. New ball joints. So this is the second pair. I've done the first pair. Just got to push the bushes out. So I use my homemade press for that. And sort that out. Took the main bearings are really good. There's nothing wrong with them at all. I've got the front prop shaft, just give it a clean up. Oh, pistons have arrived. My new pistons. So unfortunately Rock Auto didn't have the right size for that I needed. Otherwise they'd have been nice and cheap, but these were stupidly expensive. But they do feel nice. They're nice and heavier quality. So, but there you go. Never mind. One of them things. They're 1 mil oversize, because apparently it's already been. These are 0.75 over, and the bores weren't perfect, so they've been rebored for 0.1. So. Anyway, there you go. It's a bit strange, so because it hasn't. Last time it was taxed was 98, so that's 25 years ago, and this is an 85 model, so it's only like 13 years. So when it was on the road, so why did it get bored in that time? It's very strange. There you go. Probably overheated it, blew a head gasket, did something. Anyway, there's the other side that I've got done. I've got anything to show you in here that I've done? I don't think so. Oh, I've got this to show. I can't remember when I bought this. I need to find out. This is a Clark Machine Mart thing, and I've only used it a few times. The bloody wheels are falling off. Piece of crap. Garbage. Anyway, what else was I going to show you? No, I haven't got anything else to show you in there, but I'll just quickly show. I've just about finished all the welding. I have got a couple of places to do, but because the body's so high I can't get to it really. Anyway, there's the old chassis with all the front missing. So I've got new rod ends and new CV joints. I'm going to take my thing back up the shed. Right, there's that tiny piece on the top there of the corner of the window door. I've got to scrape all this shite off, make sure there's nothing else, and then I found a little bit right on the roof, just where one of them strengthening bars go over, but everything else is done. So I'll give you a quick look. I did find that the sills are gone, so I don't know whether you'll be able to see it very well, but I put all new metal in the sills. I've done that up there, and I found it went right up, so I've done all that as well. And I finished all that. The wheel arch, when I took the plastic off, I needed some wheel arching work doing. Yeah, there's a piece here, just here somewhere, that needs doing, but that's awkward to get to at the moment. And I finished all the back line, put new bolts in for the what do they call them? Crusher nuts or whatever they're called. And there's a gap in the back, so when I put the bolts through, I'll put nuts on the back as well, just to be on the safe side. So that's all done. Just got to clean the floor out and give it a coat of something. I'm not sure. Don't know yet. I've got some red metal primer. You know, that proper. Oh, I've got to do that bolt. Get rid of that bolt hole. That's for a tie down for something. I'm not sure what. I think that little thing, I'll throw it in the bin because I've had a sweep up. So anyway, there you go. So all coming together. So I shall get the pistons down to the engine man on Monday, and then hopefully I should have that by sometime next week and go and fetch it back, and I can get on putting the engine back together. So there you go. Cheers for now. I'll see you later.